Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Max Goldwasser.
Good evening, Central Oregon. We, of course, have been updating you on the Juniper Ridge fire all evening, and that comes one day before we enter a fire weather watch across Central Oregon. That's the area in the beige that you see here on this map. That starts tomorrow at 1 p.m. and ends tomorrow at 11 p.m., but we are not done after that because a heat advisory is going to affect some of us in all the Tri-County areas as well. That starts tomorrow at 11 a.m. and lasts all the way until Tuesday at 9 p.m. because we're going to be digits tomorrow and staying at least 10 to 12 degrees above our seasonal average for a couple days after that. But that doesn't cover the same amount of people or regions that the fire weather watch does. You can see Lapine and places like Sisters are exempt from that heat advisory, but still looking at some warm temperatures moving forward. Right now, our winds are fairly calm. They were a factor in that Juniper Ridge fire earlier today, but the spread of that fire has been stopped and our winds have since calmed down. All of us in the single digits. Now tomorrow they will pick back up, coming out of the south instead of the north, and we could have some wind gusts up around 28 miles per hour in the day and then calming down once again in the evening. Here's a look at the last 3 hours on our satellite and radar. You can see those clouds moving in from the south, starting to get to our region here on the high desert. Some light patches of moisture, but those have since dissipated, but they will be back tomorrow possibly. We have about a 30% chance that we might see some thunderstorms and some lightning, and that chance starts around 11 a.m., but you'll see the bulk of it could be hitting us around 3 p.m. That's when you start to see some patches of rain showing up on our map here, starting in the southern parts of Deschutes County and moving north across the region. You can see here by 6 p.m. some different patches of rain in Prineville, Redmond, and Sisters getting hit by some showers. And then it moves out of the region. Pretty much our chance for thunderstorms tomorrow ends by about 11 p.m., but then picks back up once again on Monday. We do have a chance for thunderstorms as well on Monday, but that dips down to about 20%, and you'll see, putting our future track into motion, not many patches of rain really show up on this map here, so not expecting the same conditions on Monday that we are on Sunday. Temperatures right now across Central Oregon putting us in the 70s and 80s. Warm Springs, though, right now at 91 degrees, and then we're in the 80s for Redmond and in Bend. Forecast lows for tonight are going to stay well above our seasonal average by about 15 degrees, bottoming out at 60 in Redmond, 65 degrees in Bend. And then tomorrow is when we could hit those triple digits for about half of us, really in the northern parts of Central Oregon. That includes Redmond, Prineville, Madras, and Warm Springs, all possibly getting to at least 100 degrees or above. And then we stay warm after that with that heat advisory that's in effect. 96 degrees on Monday, 95 on Tuesday, staying in the 90s Wednesday before we dip that back down closer to average to finish out the rest of your week. That's been a look at your weather. We'll be right back.